Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Shweta, working as an assistant professor in agriculture department at SNS institution. As we all know, milk is a wholesome food, which means it provides all essential nutrients of our body, which supports the growth of all organs. Likewise, we know milk is highly perishable. We have to preserve milk in many ways, first of all, we have to check their bacterial count, and then we have to do homogenization, pasteurization, sterilization, heating, etc. So in this PPT, we are going to discuss how pasteurization is generally done in milk. As we all know, pasteurization is nothing but we have to heat the milk at particular time at particular temperature to destroy the harmful microorganism without affecting its nutritional quality. Like for the purpose is to ensure the milk safety and to extend their shelf life. As we all know, pasteurization was discovered by Louis Pasteur. His name is declared as a pasteurization. It is discovered in 1860s, and also the normal temperature maintained during the pasteurization is 63 to 72 degrees Celsius, and the time duration is 15 to 30 seconds. So I'm going to explain this PPT in DT way. For the empathy stage, what are the empathies generally we have faced in pasteurization? Like we have to understand the demand for safe and nutritious milk, because milk is consumed by every age group people in the society. So the major concerns are like they may get foodborne illness, food poisoning, health risk to their families, and also children are mainly consuming milk on daily basis. So children are a maximum target audience here. What are the problems faced by stakeholders like consumers, farmers, processors, regulators, etc. And also the problem is generally not only for only one, it for the 2.4 million football illness annually generally they are facing. So define. I'm going to define the problem like how we are going to eliminate the harmful pathogens from milk while preserving its nutritional value. Milk has four target pathogens like E. coli. E. coli causes a diarrhea, Salmonella, which causes a typhoid, and a Campylobacter, Listeria, etc. What are the key challenges generally they are facing like temperature control, time optimization, nutrient retention, and cost efficiency. So in pasteurization, success criteria is generally under 99.99 percentage of pathogen reduction, and generally we can get by pasteurization. And also there is a very minimal nutrient loss even though we are giving heat to the milk. Uh, on the whole, it helps to extend the shelf life of the milk and ideate. So as we all know, there are various types of pasteurization like a long time low temperature like 60 degrees Celsius or 30 degrees Celsius degree minutes, and also high time short temperature like 72 degrees Celsius at 15 seconds, and ultra high temperature. It is a currently widely used technique, especially in Amul aseptic packaging, which helps in increasing their shelf life even though we kept without refrigeration like 135 degree to 150 at 2 to 5 seconds. And also there are some innovative approaches like there's a continuous flow, batch flow, multi-stage flow, and regulated flow, all are there. And alternative technologies we can use like UV treatment, pulsed electric field, microfiltration are there. Prototype. What are the prototype we can get in milk like equipment components? A raw milk tank is there generally in pasteurizer, and the heating section is there. Parallelly cooling section is also there, and preheating section is there. Holding tube, pasteurized milk tank, and the refrigeration section are also there. Generally, these are the equipments in all prototype or equipments we have used in pasteurization. Like the process flow, it consists of inlet, preheat, regen, and again heat, hold, cool, outlet. This is the process flow I attached here in PPT also. And there are various type of control system pasteurization like temperature sensor, flow meters, pressure gauges, and automatic technologies are also used in pasteurization. At last, test. We have to test our prototype. Like what are the tests generally done in pasteurized milk is phosphate test. Like to check verify the pasteurization alkaline phosphate like enzyme activity measurement like various types of enzymes are already there. To check their level in milk, we have to do the alkaline phosphatase and a total plate count EPC test is generally done to detect their bacterial load in milk, and coliform test is generally done to contain the fecal contaminations. Additional analysis is also done like antibiotic residue testing, fat content analysis, protein content analysis are also there, and validation standards like these steps, these tests we have to done under the guidance or regulation of HACCP, ISO standard and FISSI regulations. And it's a mind map generally that cover what are the content that we previously discussed in this PPT like the types, benefits, quality control and the process flow etc. where they are using. And here I list out some applications like pasteurization generally done in dairy processing, milk distribution centers, food and beverage industry, cheese production facilities, and in ice cream manufacturing are also there. And also various type of assessment like product quality, energy consumption, self-life studies, economic viability. As a food technologist, we can also have job employment there in these sectors. And here is the recap and summary of our overall PPT. So thank you for watching. If you have any doubts, please let me know in comments. Thank you.